Rain healing. Find a position that allows your body to rest comfortably. Let yourself be supported. There is nothing you need to hold up or hold together right now. Allow your shoulders to soften. Let your jaw unclench. Let your breath move naturally without effort. Bring gentle awareness to the sound of your breathing, the quiet rhythm of air moving in and out. Now imagine rain, not a storm, just a soft, steady rainfall. The air is cool, the light is dim. Everything feels calmer under the rain. You are safe here. As you breathe in, imagine the rain falling around you. As you breathe out, imagine the rain touching the ground, absorbed, accepted. Rain does not rush. It arrives drop by drop, consistent, reliable. Let your breath begin to mirror this rhythm. Easy in, easy out. With each inhale, feel a sense of freshness entering your body. With each exhale, feel tension begin to soften and loosen. The rain washes the air, clears the dust, settles what has been stirred. Allow it to do the same within you. Imagine the rain falling gently over your body, touching your head, your shoulders, your arms. It is warm enough to be comforting, cool enough to be refreshing. Where the rain touches, muscles release. The weight you've been carrying begins to ease. Thoughts that have been noisy begin to quiet. The rain does not ask you to think. It invites you to rest. With every breath, feel the steady presence of rainfall. Drop after drop, moment after moment. There is nothing unpredictable here, nothing demanding your attention. Just the sound, just the rhythm. Your breath slows naturally. Your heartbeat steadies. If thoughts arise, allow them to drift away like ripples fading on a puddle. No need to follow them, no need to hold them. The rain keeps falling. Imagine the rain washing over your chest, your back, your belly. Anywhere tension has gathered, the rain softens it. Emotions that feel heavy can begin to dissolve, not pushed away, just gently released. The rain carries everything downward, into the earth, away from you. Your nervous system responds to this steady rhythm. Your body receives the signal that it is safe to let go. Feel how supported you are in this moment, held by the ground beneath you, surrounded by the sound of rain. There is comfort in repetition, comfort in consistency. The rain does not judge what it touches. It does not rush the process. It simply falls. The rain has fallen for centuries. It has washed landscapes clean again and again. Your body knows this rhythm. Your body remembers how to release. With each breath, feel yourself settling more deeply, calmer, softer. Know that you can return to this rain anytime, with a single breath, with a single moment of listening. The rain is always available, steady, supportive. Rest here, breathing, listening, letting go.